Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Today is day 38 of me documenting my programming journey. My name is Julian, and today it is Friday, April 1st at 6:44 a.m. And I am starting off the day by shipping an update for my expense tracking app onto the iOS App Store. So let's get into that. I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse and show you guys what I did. This is going to be the 1.5 version. I'm changing the name, and then there are a bunch of other changes. You could find the link to the app in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Okay, let's get into it. So that's it. I went through and I took new screenshots of the app to show off the new UI. I didn't have to resize the screenshots for the 6.5-inch displays for some reason, but I did have to resize the ones for the 5.5-inch, so that's why you saw Photoshop for a little bit there. And then I took those, uploaded them to App Store Connect, changed the name of the app on the App Store, exported the build out of Xcode and uploaded it to App Store Connect and linked it with the app, and then submitted the app for review. And now we have this final page that shows your submission has been submitted to app review. So now we're waiting on it to be reviewed, and once it's reviewed, I'll be notified, and then I can push it out whenever I'm ready, which is great. Now that this is done, I don't really know what I'm going to do next. I think I'll probably go back to the Ultimate Portfolio app course on the Hacking with Swift website and finish that up because I have a few lessons left on that. I was just getting tired of not being independent and doing things on my own, and that's why I went back to this and revisited it and revamped it for a few days. But now that that's done, and I don't really know how much more I'm going to change this app, I'm going to go back to that course just to finish it because I'm like 75% of the way through. I might as well get the rest of the way through and see what happens towards the end. In the meantime, though, I have to get ready for work, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.